Hello everyone, myself Sahil. I'm a student of Chandigarh University, BSc MLT first year, and my UID is 22BML 70073. Firstly, I would like to thank my respected sir as they give me opportunity to explain the topic what is decision making and why is important. Let's start with the topic so anybody knows that. So don't worry, I will tell you what is decision making and why is important. So what is decision making? If we have to define the decision making in the context of a workplace, it is safe to say that is management is nothing but a continuous process of decision making. It is the responsibility of business manager to make operational decision and ensure that their team executes tasks. In fact, the success of every manager depends on largely on her decision making skill. The process of business planning depends on the art of decision making. During the planning stage, manager need to make various decisions such as setting or organization's goal. They decide to key product marketing strategies, role of assignment and timelines of every task. In the situation where the plans don't deliver the desired outcome or are delayed due to external issues or lack of performance, it is the managers who need to bring them their back of track and taking contingency decisions. The charting of business plans is the effect great evidence of the importance of decision making. The care of research put over before taking a decision shape the make impact it will be make manager decide individual target, team goals and various other rules and regulating related to the team functioning and conflict resolution however needed. Importance of decision making. Iconic 20th century manager Guru Peter F. Drucker said once, "Whatever a manager does, he does through a making decision." That is exactly what we're taking about here. Does not matter whether you are working in a small company with the less than 10 employees or a large enterprise that has a thousand of employees. Think and situation always change over time. Old practices, rules, and personally make space of new process, especially in uncertain situations. However, this change situation need people to make decisions. The meaning of decision making is strongly connected with the management role. Whether you create a plans of organized discussions, give order advice, approve plans, or reject them, every action involves decision making. Thus, it can be considered an essential function of management. If you work in highly profitable enterprises, you will be need to make a lot of critical decisions such as pricing a product, deciding which product is market, controlling potential cost, advertising, capital investments, in critical creating a policy of dividend depends, taking care of employees issues among others. Such decisions also need to taken even by management in government social service enterprises where profit is not a criterion or success. Next topic is decision making and importance of problem solving. The importance of decision making lies in the way to the help you choosing between various options. Before making a decision, there is a needed to gather all available information and why is professor of cons. It is crucial to focus on the steps that can help in taking the right decision. There is a strong criterion between decision making and problem solving. Thank you.